If you ever need to replace the height adjustment lever on your Steelcase Leap V2 chair, OfficeLogix Shop has you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process step by step. First, remove the two screws that hold the lever in place. We're using a drill here, but a long screwdriver actually makes the job easier, especially when reinstalling the lever. Once the screws are out, line up the holes on the chair with the holes on the lever. Here's the first tip. Start by inserting one screw into the lever before aligning it with the chair. The second tip is to leave that screw slightly loose so you have some wiggle room to fit the second screw into place. Adjust the lever until the second hole on the lever lines up with the second hole on the chair. Insert and tighten the second screw firmly, then go back and tighten the first screw. This is where a long screwdriver comes in handy, since a drill can feel bulky in such a narrow space. After tightening both screws, test the lever to make sure the chair responds properly. And if you're looking to refresh your Leap V2 chair, OfficeLogix Shop offers a wide range of replacement parts, including seat fabric, back fabric, gas cylinders, arm pads, casters, and of course, the first ergonomic Leap V2 headrest. Thanks for watching.